Welcome back. So I've decided to officially change the channel name to Everything Printed and add some new channel art. And I made some differences to the airplane after rebuilding it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at the last JU52 video.
Ein Fortissimo ist wohl ebenso hier und da recht
So
angebracht.
I've made a couple changes. The top of the airplane is removable, so I can easily unplug and replug the battery. And it still has to be glued on, but it is easier than gluing on the front. I also decided to change the size of the motor, and there you can see the propeller blades are all messed up because that's after it crashed. And I also decided to add some landing gear to the bottom for fun. Also, here you can see that I put the motor wires around the outside and then drilled some holes in the bottom in order to try to make it look like engine wiring or something like that. I would just like to say this will be an end to the JU52 saga until I get a smaller battery for the plane, mainly because it keeps on stalling as it's underpowered for the amount of weight it's carrying, so that will be it. Thank you for watching.